Hello guys, and I will share the window right here. Oh yes, that's a good one. So because currently I'm journaling the tray every day in the session, but I feel like very boring about this process. So I start to share the live stream on to document the process of how I journal the tray, and even that you guys can come and learn from some information that necessary that you can apply to your tray and just share how I journal the tray. Yeah, maybe. So firstly, you can see on the screen right now, I have three tabs that I can especially can use to journal a trade, and especially that you can look at my TradeZola. I use the TradeZola to track my trading accounts. Yes, this is one is for the trade setup that I can see, and we screenshot this one, and the file is the Google Docs. So with the Google Docs, I currently go to the trading journal because I have a template. So that is basically that I can spend more time to actually think about a trade rather than just writing down. No? I have a template, so it's make everything's become easier to manage the trade into a journal because I have a framework. I let myself have a framework so I can reduce the times. Let's see for a trade view, this one. So I continue. This process is how I manually this is my fund account. So this is a trade view I want to share. So currently I'm down like five more tide housing, not a good one, but it is widely. So I will come to look at the trade around this level. No, I remember I this from this trade. So this is the trade on the long on the XNU USD. XNU USD. So I just mentioned this one. So the screenshot right here. I need to go back to yeah. This is actually the trade around this one. Um, no, no. From here, I took a trade around this one. No, this one. No. Yeah, this one. This is the trade that I'm just currently journal. So I move on to the next one. The next one is on the XAU USD. This is the trade I took on at the beginning of the week on the Monday. On the Monday, so this is a trade where I be spread. Mainly, I'm just focusing on limiting myself not to lose one trade around not to lose one trade around 1% of the trade. I'm just currently trade with a 100K account. So I this trade is very simple. This is a trade. So the mainly symbol is the trade from here. I'm tied to one ritual. It's mainly not based on the higher time frame alignment. Based on the higher time frame alignment for the key level, but mostly I'm trade in the lower count on the lower time frame, and this is the trade. I took a trade around here. Mm. So the bias for this trade is a long. It's a long. The bias is long. So the key level for look at the trade is I put the key level is the F M5 FVG align with Asian section bullish move. This one is the Asian section high. So the thing is, this is the previous day high, and the reason for myself to take a trade during this London section is I want to try to come back to target the liquidity zone around this previous daily high, and I execute a trade around when we have the M5 FVG for the field, and then retest the trade goes very quickly. So if because the mainly reason for myself to lose on this trade because I'm not don't set any break even though I have multiple confluences to big win. Yeah, so I will explain that. I will explain that. This is the reason for myself. So because this trade that I structured the plan that I need to win only around 1 to 1 ratio. This is very good one, but the key is I just expand the trade to reach for a better ratio. That is the mainly reason for myself to lose on this trade. And the next reason is I don't set per even. I don't set per even. So that is the reason I lose. That's the reason why I lose. Uh, mm, from here to here, and why long from here because on the Asian section we have like the process of this one, the low of the Asian section is be taken by another low, and from here the trade come with the breakup structure, and I target the execution model for this level. For this level, so I can took a trade right here. This just like a follow trend and continuation trade. So I need to break down trigger Asian session. Asian session like this is like Asian session. True. Go bullish when bullish align with the high time frame trend, especially specifically targets the previous day high. To be trade continuation, trade continuation to the target at previous day high with the market structure aligned. Firstly, the execution model is simple. Execution model is a break with a breakup structure after like move with the bullish FEG and I plus with the bullish FEG, um, a retest to fill the gap. Entry quality 100% good. There's no reason to judge this one as not a good one. Even I lose, but the execution model is very good. The price, I just had a little drawdown around this one. I'm up around $1,000 on this move, but I don't break even. I don't like take partial profit or completely get out profit. Yeah, one of the biggest issue is I want more, and I try and tie the trade based on also the very fixed target I want the previous daily high, and also that the dollar amount I want. Yeah, if for example like $1,000, it's okay. Yes, that. But from here to here, it's around where I can check. It's around mm, six price where I can make around more than $300. Yeah, I $300. This is the reason. Is the time for stop loss? Is this quality necessary required to work on? And what? The reason is simple. It's simple that I need to set break even when the momentum kick in. Kick in. Kick in. The internal liquidity is the taken. Internal liquidity is was taken. So there has many reasons taken with breakup structure. Align with the FEG on the new FEG, a new FEG. So this is a very good momentum. The market had no such a good reason to reverse from here. Another mistake is that I did not take passive profits. This is yeah, I can kind of that. And another mistake that I can see, I can that is that turn winning trade a winning into a losing trade during the trading section. Yes, this is the biggest one. All right. So do I follow the plan or not? Yes, for the setup. Yes. For the risk management. Yes. I risk 1%. Yeah, risk 1%. Trade management. No. I let the emotion control. Yeah. Why not? Why I say that? I let the emotion control. Firstly, and I look at the trade. The reason is for the current plan for I remember the first plan, the first and very fourth. The first plan is I just want to trade 1-to-1 ratio because I lose a lot last week and also this month from this month. So I just want to 1-to-1 ratio in order to get back into the balance. When the trade hit 1-to-1 ratio, when the trade had a profit, I have just one single thought that it come to take profit, full take profit. So I don't have any trade management. I don't set any plan. I don't set any plan for like the trade can revert at somewhere around this level because What I want is where is the swing high from here. This is the liquidity level that I want. But the trade can go to the zone like this one and then reverse. The thing is, I just trade based on half very much rather than just let the trade run. So the opportunity cost right here is I lose a lot of time, energy from the sideways from this range until the trade hit my stop loss from this level when the New York session is about to open. That is the biggest emotional and the money attachment on the trade. Yeah. Mm, so how did I feel when I take the end? Yes, not job. I don't feel anything. What was my energy? Yeah, my energy is high. Was high. What was high? Because I just took a nap. Refresh the energy. Well, have I taken another rod? No. Did I say normally? Yes. What were my emotional reaction watching the market move? I can say formal, fear, and anxiety, and mostly hope. Yeah, and from this kind of level, I trade based on the formal. I don't want to get out of the trade. I don't want to have the power to get out of the trade, stop out of the trade with profit or set break even because I hope for something more, for some things like more special, like making the money. So I just let the trade run out of my control. So rather than I control it, I let it my emotional kick in, and so I lose the control. Yes. At any point did I stop trusting my strategy? No. No. Did I consider moving my slot? Yes. Uh, yes. When the market had a breakup structure, the momentum is pretty good. Was pretty good to target the new high, the previous day high. Previous day high. Also be supported by the high time frame alignment, high time frame, by the higher time frame like H1 and H4 for pricing. Yes. Did I exit early or late? Yes, I exit late. I exit late. The emotion behind is formal, absolutely formal. Why formal? I don't want to get out of position where then the trade run to take profit. Yeah, I rather than accept the stop loss to see the result, but not let, but not accept to get out of trade a little earlier, early to watch the market. without position. How do I feel after I try? Frustrated. Yes, absolutely frustrated. Why? Because I turn a winning try into a losing try. That's that is the whole reason. Where I can where I can make $1,000, then I lose even more $1,000. Specifically, because of the spread. Hmm. Keep doing. The momentum setup is valid. Follow the continuation. Be patient with the execution model. Improve. Why I need to improve? Emotional attachment. Trade management. Set the fixed take profit. At 1-to-1 ratio, or take partial like 80% and let the left run. Well, that's it. FOMO is it just an emotion, so control it. Well, mm, it's not accidental. It's just like continuation. The key zone time frame is like 15-minute time frame. The key zone is the FVG. For FVG location, this is like in boom, 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 boom. This is in the discount. And execution time frame, I use the M5, 5 minute time frame for the push. I'm not have a poor execution. The entry execution is very good execution. This is the V shape. This is the FVG. I use the FVG. Time execution learning session. Yes, exactly. There's no scale out, formal, regret, hesitation, nothing to profit. Stop hunt, build liquidity. Why? The trade is just stop myself out and then run. So market review. So move on to the next trade, the same trade, but I win. Oh, I remember this is like I need to go to trade view because I remember I have like this one is like How can I add to the trade again? For day view, I go to the day view. How can I add those trade to go together? I want to merge the trade. Review, review. Oh, this one. This one. Oh, merge trade. The reason why much because I'm just like split the position, split this one into two position for better management. This is like a trade that I can lower the risk. I'm just lower the risk into lower than 50% compared to the previous one at risk. Because this one I have the first entry. The first entry I use 1% for the risk, and then the second entry is like I lower the risk like 50%. I read $500 into to make around this number. Yeah. So this is a pretty good trade. So the trade right here is so very solid trade where I win very fast. Everything's I win from this trade very fast. This is the same trade that I have like on the day that from here. I execute a trade onto this level. I put the brush into this one. I put the rest into this one. Well, the reason why I execute a trade because it have the same analysis of this one before this. This is I have like the same analysis of the previous one on this losing trade. For the key for the bias, I have the long bias. For the key level, I have the FVG on the FVG. The trigger is the FVG with plus liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep is the main reason. So the reason after the London session done, I took this trade because I took this trade because I had the bullish move during Asian session is we're still alive, still be still be in still valid when the level of this number be held and the price tap into the M5 bullish FEG on bullish FEG. Mm, Price tap into the M5 bullish FEG, so I executed a trade with the target remain as the PD high. The execution model just V-shape with the price action. Right after a liquidity sweep, training market structure from bearish into bullish, then had a retracement into the M5 FVG ally, M5 bullish FVG. The entry quality is such a good entry, such a good entry, 100% good. When I had less drawdown, full take profit, good. No management, no enforcement. Oh, so I follow plan or not? So this is very important. Yes, I re-entry with uh, I re-entry uh, aspire a little more confident this way. Hmm. Not as pick because this is the time that I on the rest. I'm was on the rest. Rest. Have I taken a lot? Yes. No, I lower the side. 50% low because I uh, I this Be confident on self, but I don't want to lose 2% on one day. I don't even. I didn't. I did not even look at the chart. At any point, did I stop trusting my strategy? No. Did I consider to moving my stop loss? No. Did I execute? No. How do I feel after a trade? Right. I lower the loss, the daily loss from 1K2 into to hard $4, little to a little more than $4. Keep doing. Yes. Respect momentum. Pride in my strategy is run so fast. So any kinds of sideways pressure is not a quality time, quality, not a quality position to be careful. Improve in one session is pretty good. Pretty good momentum. Another thing, secondly is this is the actual. Yeah, secondly, because in the Asian session, I'm just set the buy limit for this trade in the Asian session when I see the this like when I see the FEG around this level, so I set a buy limit from here, and from this point of view, I'm just had like around 1.5 1.5 retrievable without any doing anything. This is the real power. But I'm not I'm not doing that. I'm took a trade right here. I lose the money, and then I even I lowered the loss into an acceptable risk amount from here. So this is trading because I this is probability. I don't know what can be the best thing that for do. I'm just doing with the reaction of trading. So I will check the trade. After this trade, I need to get some water in water. This is the continuation. The key zone, the same 15-minute time frame for the key zone. This is 15-minute time frame. 15-minute FEG. This is in the pre-discount on execution time frame at M5 entry point is V shape. We have FEG. Yes. Time execution around New York Open. And no, I don't have any mistake to be cam this one. Well, So need to grab some water and come back. Yes, no one watching. No one watching. I'm just doing that because of myself. Sharing some things outside. So we come back to the next trade. I think this is on the August around. This is based on my day. This is Monday. The win rate in this trade, I have two trades, 50%, but the profit factor is not good because totally I have two trades, 50% win rate, which means I have one trade win, one trade loss. But the profit factor right here is not even equal to the one. That's mean the the max drawdown, the drawdown I have is bigger than the profits I generated. So we move on to the next trade, the next day on the day view. So I have a trade dollar. So this is like with over trading day. Yes, this is say that this is over trading day. I play two trades a day, 100% over like 60 days average is just one. Yes, it has my P&L. Left the money on the table. You could make around more than this one. Yes, it is about the assets and the entry and exits based on like the max goal, max of the market goal, and max of the market goal. But this that's my I learned from here this day. I have like I think the most reason that I can see in myself is I somehow open many trades around this on this week. Hmm. Should I go to the trade detail? Alright. Hmm. On this day, I took two trades that I consider a setup. This is for the XAU USD and the GBP USD around this level, around around the hours that I don't want to trade. This is I mentioned that I don't place any trade at the 10 p.m. and also 11 p.m. No, this is not the trading hours that I mainly took a trade. This is I consider as over trading trade and unnecessary loss. Even I both trade, I can get around $600 in profit, but I don't took any profit out of table because I don't have a structured plan for this one. Yes. Mm. Mm. This trade is very simple. I many reasons. Bias I long. Why the bias? Why is bias is long? Because the trade could have a liquid. The market structure with the breakup structure around this one during the midnight, and from here as the Asian section open, I have like the this level be taken field of FEG, and then the trade run with a very good profit with a very good market structure. And the reason I just want another continuation move rather than just the reverse from the trade, even though I have like many confluences like the daily high is be taken. Yeah, if I trade the daily high be taken, this is very good uh, trying to actually trade because an Asian session the previous day had been taken. This is the not another good trade for trade continuation for another liquidity for the bullish. The reverse from the trade is much more a good one for the trade. So I look at the trade from this one. So for the 15 minute, 5 minute time frame, I can see it's more clearly. Yes, I based on the market structure. I respect the price reach another the key level and 15 minute time frame. The trigger I have a trigger is like the trigger is with the market structure base, the bullish market structure base, the bullish market structure base plus the FHG field, F5 B field, and also the The H, the open of the Asian was pretty bullish to gain the momentum. The target of good momentum, so had a reasonable target with the external high. Market structure is clear. Hmm. Which means my analysis is very simple. I want the trade come with the market structure and then be followed up by the moves from 6 p.m. Which means I want the Asian session be continue to go bullish on this move. Yeah, I feel like the journaling is very boring. Yeah, this is I said that this is necessary to like journal, try have my mistake and learn from the mistake, gain some experience and expand the perspective. But this guy is pretty much very boring. Yeah, I feel it's a little sleepy right now. But I need to keep going. Execution model. M5 react. M5 reaction. M15 FE, bullish FEG. Entry quality. Pretty good. 77 good. Because M5 show M5 show a good rejection, but I did not have any kinds of following up with the trade on crashing. Is it time for stop loss in drawdown mostly? Is it quality pretty good? I think this is like 80% good because I did not have any reason to hold the trade more. Follow plan or not? Yes, I follow plan. How did I feel when I execute a trade? Hmm, I've not felt nothing. No, good. Uh, Asian session is my productive uh, session. Have I taken another? No. This is the first try. Yes, I normally yes. What was my emotional reaction watching the market move? Hmm. Hope or what? The trade come back to my break even to my execution and entry when I can draw down. At any point did I stop trusting my strategy? No. Did I consider to move my stop loss? No. Did I exit early, late? What was the emotion behind that reaction? Did I exit late? I did exit late where I can get out of the trade when price did not respect TM5 FEG. I could lose way more or less compared to hold until the phone stop loss. Wow, this is a good one. How do I feel after a try kind of was normal? I accept the loss, so I follow the plan of risk management. Uh, risk management plus execute decisively. Get out decisively and improve. Wait for more. Wait for another M5 confirmation candle to follow up. This follow up candle is a good sign to trade compared to the rejection candle. Well, yeah, you can say that this is not a very not a feeling like easy process in order to taking a trade. The setup, I try continuation, keys on time frame, 15 minute time frame, keys on 15-minute FEG, and 0 point the Fibonacci retracement. And this is the discount and execution time frame. We have M5, execution and M5. Entry point quality execution. This is based on the FEG. No, this is based on the good poor execute V-shape and PA. On the V-shape and PA time execution, Asian session and the mistake bore. I think bore. Actually, this is not pretty much trade to taken, and I ignore the trade. I ignore the. Mm, I hope so. I'm from here. Another. This is first lead I have. Secondly, this is the first one. The second one is price to the previous daily high. Then the reversal or market reaction at this important level is a little more higher compared to the continuation for the continuation into into the next higher level. This is if I can respect this rule, I can save myself one losing trade and more. Well, yes, I see that, but I'm still taking a trade. Why? Because I hope the market to move a little more and more. That's the real reason. Hmm. Hmm. The next trade on the GBP USD. This is a little more trade. you know what is the real reason why I'm not taking any? Guys, yes, I feel like everyone around me is doing something very good, but I'm still not yet feeling the same. Feel like I'm doing something, feeling like stupid. Yes, just keep going. Uh, the bias is short. The key level is based on the H1 bearish FVG. The trigger is just one reaction on the trade. One reaction. H1 rejection. Uh, at the Asian Open. I took this trade because I saw a liquidity sweep on H1. I mainly use the H1. where I took a try. Yes, I was mainly use H1 in order to took a try, sweep on H1 key level at H1 F bears FPG. Mm, that's it. This is only the reason. Execution model, just practice. I don't have anything more special than this one. Entry quality is very good one, 100% good. Uh, Small drawdown, mostly in profit. There's a type, uh, small win. Is this quality pretty good one? I expect more. I expected the trade could go lower, so I set small and more stop loss in order to wait to secure a small profit to be at least I was break even for a break even yesterday. Hmm. Yes, confident because high time frame supports the trade. What were my energy? Yes, very high. No, did I say normally? Yes. I haven't. That what percent? Expect for is R is 1 to 2, but mainly try good when around or because this is the daily max volatility. So how about I can execute a small trade on GBUSD. Uh, I'm just for the tray around this one. Hmm, this tray is very messy. I don't have for 1 hour time frame. What was my emotional reaction watching the market move? Normal. I feel normal because I it was in profit most of the time. At any point, did you trusting? Did I stop trust my strategy? No. Did I consider moving my stop loss? No. Yes, yes. When yes, I did it when price be consolidating around the previous daily high. At the midnight of the wow instant reaction. Fuck. Oh shit. So around this level about at the level of not M5 is around I said like then I let the money on the table with small win because I hope more. Feel stupid. I feel stupid because I hope the trade could uh try could go lower as the level at the daily gap, which is usually have has the reaction at this level. This is kind of hope for my trade. Mm, I choose to win less or uh, taking full take profits in order to reach the floating profit for the bigger move. This is what I was accept to be done to done. Keep doing. Keep doing the high time frame key level plus uh, multi time frame alignment plus The improve that I need is the mindset behind the trade. I did not check the high time frame alignment, high time frame picture in order to execute a trade to take get tired for the trade. So therefore, the trade went to the daily gap, which mostly that I use this gap for trade consideration, but I just spend more time in order to hope for the lower move without any like actually reason. There's no actually profit taking expanded profit taking target. There's no reason. I can see that. I don't know any reason. I try with hope rather than proper reason behind that. This is emotional attachment for the trade. I can get out of the trade with a very good profit around every dollar at key level. I choose to feel to make more. I only I need to improve that only only improve only expand the profit target when I have reason. Reason. Reaction, not prediction. This is like bore, absolutely bore. So I can off the live stream right now in order because I'm currently have just one try to journal. So thank you everyone.